I could have really worn like a much nicer shirt for this. Maybe undo one, just one. How does that look? Yeah, better? Anyway, how's it going, guys? Andre back here. Welcome back to yet another video. I know it's been a while. It's very slow with YouTube, but that's how things go. In this video, I wanted to update you guys on my favorite modifiers that I have been using lately, especially in the studio and on location. From the last video that I've done on this, it has drastically changed since I've had the studio and I have been able to experiment and try new things. So I want to update you guys on what my go-to modifiers are for 2021. All right, guys, if you are into studio photography, photography tips, videos, tricks, hacks, gear reviews, and tutorials, and gear reviews, videos like this one, then definitely consider hitting the like button and the subscribe button, because since I've been slacking, I can use all the help from the YouTube gods for the algorithm. So fingers crossed we can make something happen this year and be a little bit more consistent. But nonetheless, I want to talk to you guys about two of my favorite modifiers that I've been using religiously lately. So I'm going to start with the first one. This is the Strobe Pro 36-inch rapid box. It's just an octabox, super versatile. What this has been my go-to, simply because it's not large enough that it's difficult and chaotic to carry around. It doesn't attract too much attention, but it's also large enough to create that nice, beautiful, soft light. So this is the guy that I've been taking everywhere. It's been sitting with all of my lights, with the ED400, the ED200, any other strobes that I may be using, any flash, on location for weddings, portraits, headshot photography, absolutely everything. This is my one go-to. The other thing that I absolutely love about this, it's from Strobe Pro. So it's just basically the Godox version. But they're based out of Calgary, and I absolutely, I want to support as local as I can. Me being in Edmonton, it's also like a quick setup. So all I have to do is just press the umbrella button right here, and it just collapses. Boom, just like that. Also, I actually ripped mine right here, so I've got it a Jimmy rig with duct tape. So Strobe Pro. I know I'm in Edmonton, I'm not far away. If you guys want to help a brother out, support me. I've bought a bunch of your stuff, so anything would be appreciated if you guys end up seeing this video. Now for the second modifier that I'm using, it's actually this big guy right here. That is also from Strobe Pro, the 63-inch deep parabolic umbrella. 63 inches, quick maths, divided by 12, 5.5 feet, around there. So it's a 5.5 feet deep umbrella. I paid about $130 for it, Canadian. And it's amazing because initially I was gonna go get the Westcott umbrella, which is 7 feet. It's even bigger than this one, but that one didn't come with any diffusion material. So that one was $170. No diffusion material. This one's 120, 130 Canadian. Diffusion material as well. It's super easy. It comes in a nice little case, and it becomes such a small, slim profile because it's just an umbrella. So it just collapses. It's something super thin and super versatile. This one, I don't actually use it outdoors. I think it's too much of a hassle setting it up, especially if you have windy conditions. Then you're definitely not gonna keep this guy. You're gonna need an assistant to hold on to this, or some really heavy duty sandbags. However, where I have been using this is in the studio. This is what most fashion photographers end up using, with a white backdrop, because being so large, it wraps around your subject and it really diminishes those shadows when you're taking photos on white seamless paper. And right there on the ropes, I have my paper, I drop it down, I can move this guy anywhere around, and it's such a forgiving modifier. If you're someone who is new to flash photography and you have the space for it, I highly recommend it because it's incredibly forgiving. It's not like a beauty dish where if you get it slightly wrong, it can ruin your photo. This, fashion photography, if I'm doing e-commerce photography for clothing, boudoir, studio boudoir stuff, this is the guy to go to. That's what I've been using. It just wraps around, creates such a nice soft light, and it's definitely one of my favorites for in-studio uses. Both of these modifiers are from Strobe Pro. I do like supporting them. This isn't sponsored. I wish it was. Again, if you guys see this, I would, you know, we can figure something out. I would love to do more videos on your guys' stuff because you guys produce great quality. I will leave links down in the description below for you guys to check them out. If you do want to purchase this, feel free to follow me on Instagram. It would be greatly appreciated. I post behind the scenes videos of some of my photo shoots. I post all my photos there as well. We can have a little one-on-one conversations about photography gear, just like I am planning on bringing more to this channel as well. If you guys like this video, just smash that thumbs button. It would greatly support me, hoping to grow this year during these chaotic times. And then, you know, if you guys are looking to get into flash photography, these might be your go-tos if you have a little bit of money to spare. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.